In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to curve text around a circle in Canva. First, open Canva and load the design you want to work on. We'll start by adding a guide that makes curving super easy, a circle. Head to Elements, then Shapes, and choose the circle. Place it roughly where you want your curved text to live. Resize it by dragging the corners until the diameter feels right for your layout. Think of this circle as the path your letters will follow. If it helps you see your composition better, you can lighten the circle's color or reduce its transparency so it doesn't distract you while you work. Next, let's add the text. Click Text, then choose whether you want a heading, subheading, or body text, depending on the look and size you're going for. Type your words exactly as you want them to appear. Short, punchy text often reads best on a curve, and all caps can give a clean, badge-like style. This is also the moment to pick your font. Bold, sans serif fonts are usually easier to read on an arc, while script fonts can create a softer, decorative feel. With your text selected, go to the top toolbar and click Effects. Under Text Effects, choose Curve. You'll see a slider that controls the amount and direction of the curve. Push the slider to a positive value to curve outward, creating an arc that matches the outer edge of the circle. Pull it into the negative to curve inward, which is great for text that hugs the inside of a circle. Adjust slowly and notice how the curve responds to the length of your text and the size of your font. Shorter text and larger fonts will need different amounts of curvature. Now position the text around the circle. Drag it toward the edge and use the rotation handle to align the arc with your circle's path. Zoom in for precise control and let Canva's snapping guides help you center and line everything up. If the text doesn't nestle perfectly, tweak the curve slider, adjust the font size, or refine letter spacing until it hugs the circle smoothly. You can also fine-tune line height if your text has more than one line. Aim for consistent spacing between letters so the arc feels even, and make sure the baseline follows the circle cleanly without drifting above or below it. When the curve feels natural and the alignment looks balanced, you're done. You've created clean, curved text around a circle in Canva, ready for logos, badges, stickers, or polished social posts.